Expo Video is a new way to handle video playback in React Native. It's meant to replace the legacy expo-av with an elegant API and a modern implementation. Expo Video provides a truly native experience and it works out of the box on iOS, Android and the web. To get started, add Expo Video to your project. Everything starts with a useVideoPlayer hook that takes the source as the first argument. The source can be both a local asset or a link to a remote file. The second argument is a callback that we use to adjust the player options, like making the video loop or whether it should keep playing while the app is in the background. There is no state or anything, you just mutate the player props like there's no tomorrow. If you want the video to start playing immediately, you can also do it from here. To show a video on the screen, we need a video view. Here we pass the player as props. Here we can also adjust the component options, so for the styles, I'm gonna make the video span the whole window and have the height respect the aspect ratio. I'm also going to allow full screen, allow picture-in-picture, and make it start automatically when app goes to background. All the good stuff. If the built-in native controls aren't good enough for you, you can also manually manage the playback with player.play and player.pause. I'm Casper, and that was Minute React Native. Let me know in the comments what React Native package should I cover next. See ya!